VS Code lovers, this is the end. I am sorry, but after watching this video, you're all probably going to give up coding and start working in the cow milking industry. But why am I saying this? Did JetBrains suddenly decide to kill our lovely IDE and make its own next generation IDE? Well, no. The thing is, JetBrains just released the open beta of its VS Code competitor, Fleet. But is it really gonna kill VS Code and we have to start milking cows? Absolutely not. Don't worry, I have an amazing news for you. And that is, Fleet sucks. At least for now. But before I tell you why, I need to explain some points. But first, hit that sub button to help me out. Now, let's discuss 2 points. 1. If there is any company in the world that is going to eliminate VS Code, it will be JetBrains, because it's obviously known for its incredible IDEs in the history of making IDEs. We got WebStorm for writing JavaScript applications, and we got PyCharm for writing Python applications, and the list goes on. But if you're still paying to use those, then
it's time to stop!
2. As JetBrains says, it's lightweight and fast as fuck. Now, let's take a look at it. To download Fleet, you will have to download the JetBrains toolbox, which is the worst thing in the process. So, let's navigate to JetBrains website. Looks like it has a nice UI. Wait, what the f? Okay. Let me open this bad boy up. Welcome to Toolbox app. Who the hell uses light theme? Let's drag this there. Wait, I can't drag this shit. I knew it. Toolbox sucks. Let's open it. Workspace tab. You know, classic. Now I have a dummy project that I created using Next.js. So let me open it. I do not feel like this is a lightweight IDE, but don't worry, we're gonna check. Let's try to write something. It's not making a div inside of a JSX file, but wait. It might be because of smart mode. Let me activate it. Okay, now smart mode is activated. Let's try again. Okay, let's try the Next.js link component. Well, it's not able to create a component on its own. Now, let's try normal autocomplete. It doesn't give me suggestions on its own. I have to press Ctrl space. And to get what you want, you need to write 75% of the word and then it will autocomplete it. So, now we know the smart mode sucks when it comes to my Next.js project. For now, there is no plugins and themes. It only has a couple of themes and all of them sucks except the default one. But that is guaranteed to be a thing in the future. Now, the moment of truth, the performance. What the hell is this? It's using 4 times more storage than VS Code. Now that we took a look at it, let's talk a little bit. It's still a public beta and those things might get fixed. But do we think it's gonna kill VS Code? Well, no, because JetBrains themselves is not aiming to kill VS Code or any other IDE. They're just continuing their job and makes us a complete IDE instead of an IDE for each language. But when it comes to me, my main editor is Google Key. So now you have an idea on it and you can't decide if you want to switch to Fleet or milk cows. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.